What's up guys, Romsicle here, and today we're doing another unboxing and review of the M200 tricolor backlight membrane gaming keyboard. So I got this product from JideTech, so thank you JideTech for sending this out to me for review. And so let's get started. So on the back we have our four main features. We've got four brightness adjustments, three color backlighting. We have our red, blue, and purple. And we've got a 19 key with no breakthrough, aka 19 key rollover, as well as a 10 combination by multimedia, which is referring to the 10 multimedia keys that are on top of the keyboard. For the first look of the keyboard, it's a pretty cool keyboard. It's got lightning strikes all over the keyboard. It's got LED lighting accent holes on the left and right of the keyboard. Same with the bottom, got some nice little clear strikes. The cable is pretty standard. It has a regular plastic cord and a USB 2.0 plug. We have a logo on the bottom that says Gamer on it. On the top it has another logo that says Magic Wings. And we also have our 10 media keys on top of the keyboard. What's really odd to me with this keyboard is that the caps lock, num lock, and Windows lock portion is vibrant blue, which is really weird since if you are going to use LEDs, I mean there's three other different colors and that color doesn't change. So I thought that was pretty odd for the design. As you can see on the bottom, the texture is not smooth. It's actually what you would see in leather, I would say. And the keyboard itself isn't smooth at all either. So if you want a really smooth keyboard, this is not the keyboard for you. It shows off a really grainy texture, I would say. I don't know how to explain it, but it just looks very grainy, that's all. But the touch is still pretty smooth though, but not as smooth as an actually smooth and non-textured surface. You might be able to see it, but the keys are also textured as well with the same quality as the frame of the keyboard. It looks like it's an oil attractor, which it is, and it also attracts everything else, especially dust, and it's super hard to clean because the textures have lots of holes and crevices, so dust is pretty hard to clean out unless you have a pressure blower to clean out the keyboard. And on the top left of the keyboard we have our music button, volume down, volume up, mute, and reverse track. And on the right side we have our forward track, play, pause, stop, home browser key, and the mail key. On the back of the keyboard we have a fairly plain plastic frame. You can see a lot of screw holes. We have two plastic feet stands. They're only made of plastic and no rubber, so the keyboard might slide if you push it too hard on your desk. We've got some really nice texturized feet rubbers to keep the keyboard in place though, which is actually really good. So this is what the keyboard looks like when it's lit up and plugged in. So the keyboard doesn't have any external drivers. All the drivers are inside the keyboard, and when you plug it in, it starts off with a red static. And I'm sure you can notice this from the video already, that all the LEDs are focused on the bottom of the keyboard, and the lighting isn't very equal amongst the entire keyboard itself. Everything is focused on the bottom, and then it kind of goes lighter and later onto the top. But it's a pretty cool keyboard. So here's the logo. As you can see, there's like a little frame of light that you can see, which tells you that the logo itself is transparent with nothing coating around it. And as you can see, the caps lock, num lock is blue, which you can't change with any other colors, which kind of makes this keyboard mostly blue LED using keyboard. So if you're a fan of blue or blue LEDs on your black keyboard, then this is an awesome keyboard. You also have control of LED changing with the function key and the up and down arrow for brightness. You have four levels: no, low, medium, and high. And as well, you have three keys on top with function. That's PS, SL, and PB. PS for the cycling, SL for static, and PB for pulsing. Overall, this keyboard is an alright keyboard. It's what you get for around $35 US. If you're really on a tight budget, you can get this. It's a pretty cool keyboard. It's a memory keyboard though, so don't expect that much. And as well, it's a plastic keyboard, so Don't bother talking about build quality on this one, but it's overall it's a very nice keyboard despite having poor LED levelness all over the keyboard, as well as the caps lock, num lock border window. It's a downside, but if you're going to be using it for blue LEDs specifically, then you're good to go. And thanks for watching, guys, and thank you again, JideTech, for sending this to me for review. Links are on the description if you want to check out this keyboard. Please like, favorite, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.